Alarm goes off at 4:45. Roll out of bed, rub the sleep from my eyes. Throw on a shirt and some jeans.
Hello, welcome to Thank Playtime, the Tinker channel. We like a tinker. So, obviously as you've seen so far, I've got a tractor project going on. I'm waiting for some machining now. They're good as gold. They'll have it done in a couple of weeks, so we should start filming again for that. But just as a little introduction, we could do something else that we do in the day-to-day. Well, I say day-to-day. We do all sorts of odd jobs. So today's tinker, and I've already done one side, but I'm going to video the other side. Today we are playing with, if you can see that, one golf cart. And as I say, I wanted to get the wheels free, so we put it on the tractor. So, like and subscribe if you like this video, and I'm just going to do a bit of a time lapse on this, and I don't think there's much really to talk about. But what we're doing basically is we're doing all the kingpins, all the suspension bushes, all like that, shock absorbers, front and rear. We're also going to do the brakes as well. Yeah, so it's just one of those. I'm here at Club Holiday Park. It's Club Holiday Park's fun. This is their workshop, as you can hear all the birds in the background. So let's go for it. So usually hitting your end of your bolts isn't a good but with the whole kit comes with all new bolts, new bushes, new everything, so I'm not going to worry about it. This is Ian, by the way. Oh, works here at Club Holiday Park. He also helps run, well, no, he doesn't sort of help run P&L transfer as well. The company employs me. So, yeah. You let us know when things are doing, things go wrong. Yeah, this as well. Easy to press in, but hard to pull out, so gone. Have a load of rubbish. Gone. Oh, that was broken. What there is a little shim washer that actually broke. Ooh, that's tight. Beautiful place on the park. Ooh. in behind here, you see there's 2 bolts. I took the nuts off. Ideal. Now you see that this one won't come out because the other one's in the way, so it butts up against there. But that one is seized in, so I had to do a little trick earlier. So what I'm doing now is I'm drilling a hole in the front plate in perfect line that I can get a punch in, punch that first bolt against the second bolt to drive the second bolt through. It's a little bit fiddly, but it's the only way you're going to get that seized bolt out. And also when you put it back in, put them in the same way, and then if the next person, if it seizes up, it makes it easy for them. So just always think about the future as well, because you never know, you might end up doing that next job. So these ones aren't too bad, but they're not great. So what we've got is these types of bushes, and they're actually 3-piece bushes. So what you've got, you'll have the 2 bush, press that together, that will sit over that one, that sits over that one, and then you squeeze them together, and that's the bush. So I'm just going to go swap these over a minute. So, like I say, what we've done, took the old ones out, pressed these full in using the vise. Ideal, so that's all new. You know what, the other one just fell out. So inside there, I've knocked the bottom one out, but the top one is in there nice and tight. The other one fell out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the hacksaw, I'm going to put it inside, like so, clip them back up. Worst bit is very greasy, so that is going to lose the blade a bit. But it'll stop it down below. Oh, come on. That's it. Alright, I'm going to split the bush, put a split in there. Oh, look at that, look. Coming out, flying out, look. There you are, there's a little tip. So what I'm going to do now is, the new kingpin, we use a kingpin to fit these. So slide these onto there, and that'll stop your mushroom in it. Put them on there, get them in place, get the hammer. Yeah, that's one fitted. We've got one nice new kingpin bush. Same again, bottom one. There. Get it located. And located. So there we are, two new kingpin bushes. this washer, do you see it? This washer, it's got a little, I don't know if you can see it or not, there is a little line in it, and I've obviously let the grease pass to let you know that it's greased. So that needs to go upside down on there. Get that up in there. Plate. For a minute I'm going to leave that all loose. I'm just going to take them for it. We need to do this one, which might be fun because the last one was in there tight. Oh, it fell out. That's easy. So again, those two, push that in, push that in. Then you've got your insert into the middle. And then this goes into there. Little tap tap. If you want to, use 2 hammers. So what you can do then is put one behind and one in front. And that's it. Fit it all up. So, let's go for a little road test. Steering feels so much positive, where before, literally you were doing this like all the time to try and keep your finger in the straight line. Do that and it's like that. Steering ain't bad for straight, but I think I'm still going to have to track it up a little bit. We can have a look at all around, can we? Let's have a look around here. But no, I mean that feels, yeah, even better, but the rear is still clanky as anything, so that's the next job. We better do the rear. This is Global Holiday Park, and this is, of course, the mighty Shaft Inn. Great food in there. Recommended beer food, definitely recommend the food. So yeah, there we go. Yeah, steering is so much better. So much better. And I'm actually letting go of the steering wheel and it's staying relatively straight. Right before you didn't dare let your hand off the steering wheel. That's now to do the back end. So there we are, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for watching. This is part 1. I'll do a second part. We're going to do the brakes. We're going to do the rear springs, we've also, because we've done those lights, we've only just fitted, but we've got to put a 48 to 12 volt reducer in, which we've got, and we're going to fit that. So we've got lights working, so when they do the tool blocks at night, they can see what they're doing, and they're not, you know, they can see what's going on. So like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this bit. I hope it might have been helpful, and we'll see you again on part 2. Thank you. Oh, PS, that last video I did on the Fortune part 2, I cut a bit of audio out by accident to complete my first time I've actually edited a video. So what I'm going to do is I'll put that little bit of footage on my Instagram. So there's an Instagram, we do have an Instagram account. It's not massive at the minute, in a sense. There's a bits of content of little projects I've done, so it's worth having a little bit of a look. But I'll put it on there, that bit of footage, and I will put it into the part 3 of the Fords, and once I start getting bits to be able to start filming again. So yeah, we'll go with that. Right, like and subscribe. See you again, part 3, Fordson. Oh no, actually I'm wrong. Part 2 of the DS golf cart, then part 3 of the Fordson. So thanks for watching. I'll see you around. Thank you.
Alarm goes on.